Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at a fun multi-tool. This is by no means little. This is a fairly large multi-tool, but this is going to be the Sheffield Crocodile. So, fairly unique name. This is going to be basically just a Chinese copy of the Kershaw A100, I believe is the multi-tool that Kershaw made that is locking vice grips. Now, the reason why this is even worthwhile getting is this sometimes you can pick up, like I did, for around $20 to $30. The Kershaw is going to be $100 to $200 to $300 depending on where you find it. So there's going to be a huge price gap between the two. This is something that you can sort of see if you like it. If you don't, put it in a drawer, but the Kershaw is going to be a lot more of a collector's item. So let's go ahead and look over some of these features. And right away we'll notice that obviously this is a vice grip style multi-tool. So we'll go ahead and adjust this, and then you can see that you can use that. And then this lever down here took me a lot longer than it should have to figure this out. But anyway, this lever down there unlocks the multi-tool. So we have the cutting jaws. Again, we have more the needle nose version or the needle nose aspect to this multi-tool down there. And then obviously for working with bolts and so forth as well. Now on the Kershaw version, there is going to be a knife blade on this side as well. The Sheffield just has this set of tools. There's actually, I believe, 3 different versions of the Sheffield Crocodile. This is, I believe, the first version they came out with. So we are going to see several tools, and I think some of these are supposed to be locking and some of these aren't. You can see that there is, I think on some of these there's a definition where it's supposed to lock back here, but this version, again, you cannot no longer buy these new, so they will just pop off. So we have the Phillips screwdriver. We have the can opener of sorts with the micro screwdriver back here. And yeah, that does not lock. So let's pull. And then we have the file. This is going to be a 3-sided file. And that doesn't even, that just sort of flops in there. So this is not a great quality multi-tool, but if you want to see if you're going to like this tool or not, it might be okay to start with. I bought it more from a collector standpoint, I guess you could say. And then this sort of locks into place, but then you can just literally move it back. This is going to be the bottle opener / large screwdriver. Now, I think I see a problem there. If you're going to crank down on anything fairly large, I would imagine it's going to snap fairly easy. And then we have the combo knife blade. And again, you can push this back from the spring. So essentially it's non-locking. So that is going to be the Sheffield Crocodile. It's an interesting multi-tool. It's something that I have been looking at just to add to my collection. It's not a great multi-tool. It's not extremely well made, but it is something unique to pick up. And to be honest, that's what that's for. I wasn't even sure what that was for. So this is actually to lock the multi-tool as well in your pocket. Interesting design. Not so well executed. Definitely, I believe the Kershaw would be a lot better quality. Again, I think it's the A100. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.